If you're considering a Lancaster kitchen remodeling project, consider making it eco-friendly and sustainable for both the environment and your wallet in the long term. Here are some ways to achieve this. Kitchen remodeling materials often contain toxic chemicals that are deceptively labeled. In particular, consider avoiding anything with formaldehyde. It's a carcinogen and, worryingly, is still used in many contemporary kitchen materials today. Instead, look for sustainably sourced and non-toxic materials for your kitchen remodel. It will safeguard both you and your family's health and the environment. Sustainably sourced countertop materials, such as paper stone, ice stone, and durat, are some examples of material that you can incorporate into your kitchen remodeling project. Another method to ensure a more eco-friendly and sustainable kitchen is by reducing water usage. Consider a low-flow kitchen faucet that will regulate the amount of water released without sparing on pressure. Finally, to make your kitchen more eco-friendly, consider induction stovetops. They offer much more energy efficiency than traditional gas ranges and electric stovetops. Not to mention, you won't need natural gas combustion. For more help and information about your new sustainable, eco-friendly kitchen, contact MBC Remodeling in Lancaster, Pennsylvania at 717-371-5136 today.